Welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you are going to learn how to fire an event based cloud function. For example, if you are going to put, or your customer is going to put any file in your Google Cloud storage, and you want to process this file into the BigQuery, or you want to move this file into the other location, then you can utilize cloud functions. So as you know, cloud functions are a serverless computing service offered by Google Cloud Platform, which are an easy way to run your code in the cloud. And another beneficial thing is here, it supports Java, Ruby, PHP, Python, Node.js, Go, and .NET. So in which language, any one language you are comfortable, you can write your code. And another beautiful feature of the Google Cloud functions are it supports events from the following providers like HTTP, Cloud Storage, Cloud File Store, PubSub, Firebase, and Stackdriver. So as of now, we have two types of cloud function, Gen 1 and Gen 2. So if you want to see what is the difference between Gen 1 and Gen 2, so Gen 1 is more lightweighted, you can say one concurrency per instance, and while Gen 2 is on Cloud Run, you can have more control and you can run 1000 concurrency per instance. This is the feature you can see. So the limit in Gen 1, you can run your cloud function till 9 minutes, but in Gen 2 you can run it till 60 minutes. So this is the beauty of the cloud function. Okay, now first of all, if you want to fire an event on your GCS bucket, like here, so I have already created a bucket that is GCP GCS demo bucket, and here I have created another subdirectory that is raw file. So you have to pass this path in your cloud function. Okay, in the cloud function we are going to create a new cloud function. Go to the create function, and here we are going to put it as GCP fun get GCS event. Okay, this is the simple name we are going to utilize here. And then, so now we want a trigger on our GCS storage, so we are going to choose cloud storage, and then you have to choose your GCS bucket. So this is my GCS bucket. Okay, and I'm going to check this retire on failure, and you can see we have more options like this. This is the default service account, save trigger. And in the runtime, if you want to add any parameters, you can set this. So here the timeout is 60 seconds. You want to increase it, then you can increase it. And concurrency is max to 1, and auto scaling 0 to 100. So I'm going to decrease this 0 to 5. The actual beauty of the cloud function, these are the serverless, and you don't worry about your environment. Sorry. So if you want to read any specific file, you can set here file extension. So .csv is my file extension, and if you want to read any specific file location, so you can put source dir. This is the this location is inside your main bucket of files. So in this example, I'm just filling this information, but we are not going to utilize this thing in our code. So here you can see here this is the Node.js, and we are going to choose Python 3.2, and this is our main function, you can see here. Okay, and here I'm going to use import IO and JSON as well. Okay, so these are the variables. This is the default function. I am going to call it as a main GS, and here I am going to change it main GS. That is my trigger point, or you can say entry point. And you can see here this function is taking cloud events, so it is going to read the data from the event. If you want to see which kind of the data it is taking, so we are going to print data. Okay, and just going to deploy our code. We are not doing any other things. So this is the bucket name, and this is the name of your source directory, where is your file could be located. And I am going to deploy this. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Now your build is completed, and it is going to create cloud on service for your cloud function. Then it is going to uh, deploy your trigger as well. Let's wait for another couple of minutes. So here you can see so we are going to show you these are the details of your function. So here you can see last deploy region and your memory, CPU, timeout, and service account, which is going to be used to run this cloud function, build worker, pools, and container build log. And here you can see the cloud function has been deployed. Okay, then in the source you can see your source over here and the variable part. So we have created two variables, that is runtime environment variables and the trigger. Okay, this is our trigger. Here you can see name of the function, your event for this function. So event arc trigger, and event provider, that is cloud storage, and event type, that is finalized. Receive event from this bucket, and service account and retire on failure enabled. And these are the permissions we need to run this cloud function, and these are the logs you can see here. Now we are going to test it, and we are going to upload one file in this uh, location in your GCS subdirectory. Okay, so we are going to run this, and the same thing time we are going to see or refresh our logs. So let's see what is happening here. Okay, so we have print our data. uh, the Then here you can see which kind of the data we are getting from the event. So kind is storage, object that is the id, and this is the self link, name of the file. You can see this is the GCS bucket, and generation and meta generation, content type that is text or CSV, time created, updated, storage class standard, time storage class updated, and all the information you can see here. Then these are the additional information which we were printing through our cloud composer code. In the source you can see we are printing this information, and the same information is available in your logs as well. So you can see it is very easy to fire an event based cloud function, and you can write your code according to your business requirement. So in our case we are just showing how this thing is happen once you are going to upload a file into your GCS bucket, and then you want to perform some operation with the help of cloud function. Okay, so guys, please like, share and comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.